stuff, why don't you make a video simplifying the process and helping out new streamers? Be my competition. Do it. Do it.
I'm not gonna lie, when I heard that shit, I was like, you know what? Bro, you remember that YouTube channel you made 6 months ago and never posted anything on it? You know that 6 months ago, and you only posted 5 videos, and then you got an interview with Chaotic Bunny, and you just thought you were gonna pop off with this YouTube channel right after, and then you just went inconsistent. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I messed up big time. Like I know, like I was supposed to like post a bunch of times on this YouTube channel and explain a bunch of stuff, but this is what that video was about. I'm so sorry about being inconsistent, okay? But not like actually, like all jokes. All jokes aside, I do want to say I apologize for being very inconsistent on this YouTube channel, but in those 6 months, I also kind of don't apologize because I've been able to find my niche on YouTube and what I want to do. If you guys don't know, when I first started YouTube, I started doing Call of Duty Black Ops 2 montages and like real cringy like stuff. I wanted to be a Call of Duty content creator, which I still might do, but it's not my main thing. I don't enjoy just playing games all day. I do art. If you guys don't know what I actually do, I do freelance graphic design. I do 3D and 2D art. I'll show some of my artwork as we go through this video, but um, I do 3D and 2D art. I've always enjoyed just explaining art to viewers. Sometimes you'll see me on Twitch doing speed arts and thumbnails for people, but I did really want to do this. This was something I did do, and I want to keep going with this YouTube channel and be able to explain things from editing to software to free to free to paid programs and everything. But one of the main things that I had issues with is actually just explaining things. But so I was like, yo, I should really come back to this YouTube channel and like really try to hone in. So basically, if you guys don't know, I do have ADHD, and so my points might be like here, and then the other point might be here, and I'm just all everywhere. And so I was like, I need to come back to this YouTube channel and actually work on it because I'm not gonna lie, man. I love teaching art. I love doing everything about art. And I was like, you know what? I watched this guy Gail Level and Max Novak and a few others, and they inspire me all the time to explain art. But I'm just not the best at like explaining. Like it's weird. Like I'm good at explaining, but I ramble a lot. That's my issue. That's what I was trying to say this whole time. Just like I was explaining, I ramble a lot, and I'm doing it now. Oh my god! All right, let me stop. In all seriousness, no, I did make this YouTube channel 6 months ago, and I absolutely went inconsistent. But now I finally found my niche, and I think I'll be able to teach art, and this is what I want to do. And there's so many things that I want to do. Part of stream overlays programs, how to do certain effects on your stream, how to do everything. I want to really be able to teach people this. So with that being said, this YouTube channel Evol Designz is back on road, and I would love to know what you guys want me to uh teach you guys, because I do know the programs that I use. And yes, I have the Drake slow typed in my type bar. I like slowed music. I like Drake music slowed. Have y'all ever listened to it? It's really good. All right, I'm doing it again. You would like to know what programs you guys want to use, as far as like Photoshop, After Effects. Those are the things that I use, and they are paid programs. But I do know not everybody has the ability, because money is not doesn't grow on trees, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely will go through some of the free programs, but I will say most of my content is based around things like Photoshop and Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. Those are the things I do. There is ways to get it free, but I don't. I literally pay for my Adobe Suite. I'm not gonna lie. Adobe, if you ever see this video, please don't kill me. All right, I'm not suggesting you do that, but these are the programs I do use. I'm a Adobe baby. Like I love Adobe. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. So if these programs are mostly paid programs that I'll be using, but I will do free videos, like free versions of videos. I know Photopia is one of them. I've heard it's a Photoshop that's like free, and I would absolutely love to use it because I know it would be like something different for me, and I would love to be able to teach you guys how to do stuff. So basically, this is me telling you I am back on YouTube, and I'm so happy to make these content videos for you guys. I'm literally gonna be I promise I'm gonna be consistent this time. Yo, that's a crazy word that I just tried to say like mad fast, but I promise I'm gonna be consistent this time. Thank you guys so much for still supporting me on my Twitch. If you guys don't follow me on Twitch, it's Evil Genius, and if you don't follow my main YouTube, it is Evil Genius. But I'm gonna be even been back consistent on that. That's probably gonna be Call of Duty videos and different things like that. But we're gonna be covering all types of stuff from video editing to like I said, 3D art, 2D art, and how to do effects. Like this is gonna be so dope, and I think this is, like I said, my niche. I love the word niche. Why, niche is funny word. Like if you ever look at how it's spelled, it looks weird. It's a weird word. All right, I'm logging out. We'll be back next video probably this week.